Ever wonder how some people grow their wealth effortlessly while others struggle to get started? The truth is, the stock market isn't just for Wall Street insiders, it's for anyone who wants to make their money work for them. Today, I'll show you how to start investing in 2024, spotlight the best stocks and ETFs, and even help you plan for retirement. Stick around and you'll leave with all the tools to build a rock-solid financial future. Welcome to the Money Philosopher. If you're here, you already know one thing: money sitting in a bank isn't enough to build wealth. Investing is the key to growing your financial future, and it's never too late to start. Whether you're brand new to the market or want to refine your strategy, this video has something for everyone. Today, we're diving into how beginners can start investing, the best growth stocks for 2024, ETF strategies for long-term wealth, retirement investing tips with Roth IRAs and 401ks, earning passive income with dividend stocks. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to take action. Let's kick things off with the basics. Starting your investment journey can feel overwhelming, but here's a simple roadmap. Understand your why. Ask yourself, why do you want to invest? Are you saving for retirement, building a college fund, or creating an emergency stash? Your why determines your strategy. Pick the right tools, choose a beginner-friendly brokerage like Robinhood, Fidelity, or E-Trade. These platforms are user-friendly and most offer commission-free trades. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Even $100 a month can grow significantly over time through the power of compounding. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock. Spread your investments across industries or start with ETFs for instant diversification. Learn as you go. Don't wait to become an expert. Start now and use each step as a learning opportunity. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Think of it as planting a tree. The sooner you start, the bigger it grows. If you're ready to pick individual stocks, let's talk about growth stocks. These are companies that are expected to grow faster than the market average. Here are my top picks for 2024. Tesla TSLA. With breakthroughs in EV technology and renewable energy, Tesla is a long-term growth machine. NVIDIA. As I continues to grow, NVIDIA's role in powering this industry makes it a strong contender. Apple APPL. Consistent innovation and a loyal customer base keep Apple a reliable growth stock. Amazon AMZN. Beyond e-commerce, Amazon is leading in cloud services through AWS. ZoominFo ZI. A rising star in business intelligence, helping companies use data smarter. Remember, growth stocks can be volatile. They offer higher returns but also come with higher risks, so balance them with safer options in your portfolio. Not ready to dive into individual stocks? That's okay. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are the perfect solution for beginner and seasoned investors alike. ETFs give you a diversified portfolio of stocks in one simple package. Here are my top recommendations for 2024. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO tracks the top 500 companies in the US economy. iShares MSCI World ETF IWDA offers global exposure to developed markets. Invesco QQQQQQ focuses on tech-heavy companies, including giants like Apple and Microsoft. ETFs are ideal for hands-off investors. They have lower fees, instant diversification, and are a great way to build long-term wealth. Now, let's talk retirement. Planning for your future can feel far away, but the earlier you start, the more you'll have when it matters. Here's the breakdown. Roth IRA. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Ideal if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later. 401k. Contributions reduce your taxable income now, and some employers match your contributions. Essentially free money. Possible. Use both. Start with your 401k to maximize any employer match, then contribute to a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Who doesn't love passive income? Dividend stocks let you earn regular income without selling your shares. Here's how to get started. Pick stable companies. Look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends, like Coca-Cola KO or Procter & Gamble PG. Reinvest your dividends. Many brokerages allow you to automatically reinvest dividends, which helps compound your earnings. Set a target to earn 100 a month. You'll need a portfolio of 300, 00, 400, 00 yielding around 4%. Start small and build over time. Investing doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you're starting with ETFs, exploring growth stocks, or planning for retirement, the key is to take the first step. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to The Money Philosopher, and turn on notifications for weekly investment tips. And don't forget to share in the comments, what's your investment goal for 2024? I'd love to hear your thoughts.